What's up mga kabars kabaro? Today's my videos is all about what is Aruba famous for. Welcome to my channel Super Bong TV. Mga kabars mga kabaro, meron po tayong mga 7 bagay na magagawa natin sa Aruba. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment, and hit rin po ang bell para sa bagong videos ko. Mga kabars mga kabaro, it is very interesting din pong island na to ng Aruba. Kung mapapansin niyo po mga kabars, mga kabaro, meron po tayong 7 bagay na pwede mo magawa, hindi lang 7, siguro mga millions. And this is one of the great places in part of Venezuela or southeast of coast of Venezuela. Please do watch some more videos about this one, guys, and some history about this. God bless and take care.
3 days later.
Well, pasara mo na yan!
What's up mga kabars kabaro? We have a great weather here in Aruba at this moment. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam sa Aruba, ano nga po ba ang Aruba? What countries that this Aruba are together with? At ano po ang magagawa nating maganda sa Aruba? Or we can say that what is Aruba most famous for? Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang Aruba po ay isa sa mga magandang island na malapit po sa coast ng Venezuela and is the best known for dazzling white beaches. But away from the beaches, there's also a fascinating desert landscape, colorful architectures, and vibrant and social scene explore. Makikita niyo po mga kabars gaano po kaganda, ka-vibrant ang Aruba. Mamaya po, maya aalis po yung barko at magdi-dispose lang po kami ng konting basura. But for the meantime mga kabars, mga kabaro, ano pa ba ang the best thing na you can do here in Aruba? Marami po tayong mga kabars na pwedeng magawa rito. Actually, meron po sila dito na tinatawag na Aricatok National Park. Ayan po mga kabars. Kung nakikita niyo po ang tinuturo ko ngayon, nakatutok ngayon, ito po mga kabars ang anchor ng barko or sea anchor. Tingnan niyo po mga kabars kung gaano po siya kalaki. Bali po pinipinturahan po siya ngayon at kung magtataka ka po, nasa 17th floor kami, how they put it up there, and I asked one of the boss in charge there and they said they're using by crane. Diyan po dinaan yan mga kabars kung gaano kalayo at kataas from na. Kung mapapansin nyo mga kabars, ayan po ang pinaka-port namin. Doon, pwede kayong maligo dyan, pwede kayong pag normal days. But nowadays, we can't go out po mga kabars. Kaya sobrang ganda po at makita nyo po yung bridge. Diyan po yung aming captain. So they're in charge for everything before we get parked on the ship or before we get in the port. They have to make sure everything is under control. Yan mga kabars, sobrang ganda ng panahon, parang paintings po. Naisip ko pong pumasok dito at umakyat dito, para po ma-check ko po ang last na view ng Aruba. Look at this mga kabars, sobrang ganda po. Para po siyang Boracay, paraiso kasi nga napaka-less din po ng mga population dito. At maya po mga kabars, ituro ko kayo dyan mamaya sa side ng barko. Pag alis, babalik ako sa cabin din. At ayan na po mga kaibigan, nandito tayo sa kabina. Papaalis na po tayo ngayon mga kabars kabaro. As I told you a while ago, magdi-dispose po tayo ng konting foods sa pagkain natin mga isda. Of course mga kabaro, pag may mga leftover tayong foods, we're not gonna be wasted for that one, guys. You can see all these beautiful ships around us, and what I'm trying to say is we're not gonna be throw that one. We have to grind that one. Ginigiling po yan at ipapakain po natin sa isda. So at the same time, nakikinabang po lahat. we are friendly company po mga kabars kabaro. It's nothing wasted, you know. We have to help for our ecosystem, especially for sa mga dagat. Ayan po mga kabars, makikita niyo po how beautiful this ship. Oh my god. You know, sometimes mga kabars, if you are in the port, like if you work the seafarers, one thing is nice for you to see is, you know, you can see all these different big time ship, beautiful ship, you know, from different companies, and they just like a toy, you know. When you see that one, there's a big, small, you know, it depends. But of course, to let you know mga kabars, mga kabaro, if you work in a passenger ship of any passenger cruise line, then you have a very good port. Malaki rin po ang bayad mga kabars. I think more or less is maybe around $10,000 to $30,000, something like that, or $50,000, even $50,000 actually in US dollars. It depends how big your ship, I think, because I asked one of the officers on board, and that's what he told me. You see, as you can see mga kabars kabaro, you see this one of the great company also pacing with us, and as you can see, you know, we are the biggest one actually. We have biggest one. That's why we are in the first parking. Yeah, makikita niyo po mga kabars. Yan po yung mga beautiful companies, beautiful ship, which is it's so exciting. Makikita niyo po kasi sila side by side. Then, you know, they just like a toy only. Then, yan mga kabars, kung ano po yung ginagawa namin, of course, meron din po, ginagawa din po yun nila to dispose the foods, because we can't throw this one in the port mga kabars kabaro. Then speaking of that food, that's what we do, you know. That's why we don't recycle the food in the ship. We have to throw that one in the proper bin, segregate, then with the proper chemicals to use not to be poison the fish. Yan mga kabars, ang gaganda ng mga barko. Then after that, sa mga basura po namin lahat mga barko, makikita niyo po, we almost at the same policy or processing of the way. The only thing difference is, you know, your ship, of course. Then sa mga garbage po ng mga basura, for example po yung mga plastic cans and bottles, we do segregate for all this kind of ship po mga kabars kabaro. Then they have a big container downstairs, and if we are in the port, that's the time, you know, to seal. And I think they do recycle them again. That's what I know. But of course, for some of the for example, with papers, I think when we are like in the at least nautical miles, like far from the port, yan po, they're going to burn that one little by little. Yan po mga kabars, mga kabaro, makikita niyo po yung mga side ng ating port is also part of Aruba. Of course, that is in Aruba actually. And it's so beautiful mga kabars, mga kabaro, kasi just like, you know, Boracay, or just like a MOA in Philippines, which is alongside there's a lot of nice big ships. And I hope one day Philippines, my country, will be like same like this. Sa mga friends natin o mga kabars and all guests, our guests who don't know this place Aruba, there's so many things you can see in Aruba. You can do it, you know, like this one, guys. It's also beautiful one. They are all facing like in hotels, surrounded by hotels actually, and what they call the malls. And it's so pretty mga kabars kabaro. You can see, you know, I can recommend you one of the I read before you can do here, or 10 bagay na best thing to do in Aruba is they have also here what they call this Aricatok National Park. This one is if you to explore the trail, we have this like they have mayroon po silang caves. Ang Aricatok National Park mga kabars is medyo malapit lang po to dyan, at kailangan po siya ng what they call this 4x4 na sasakyan para po makapunta dyan, at marami naman po kayong magiging tour guide dyan. Yan po ang sa mga natanong ko na mga recommended ko dyan, Aricatok National Park. Then the park is open daily from 8 to 4 p.m. sabi po nila, and then the entry is about $11 for adults. And siyempre meron po kayong depende kung gusto nyo mag-tip o wala, at of course po malapit lang po dito, mga almost 2 to 3 hours lang po. And makikita nyo po mga kabars yan, mga port, ang gaganda po, sobrang ganda. At pangalawa po na pwede nyo magawa rito is yung Boca Prince Beach. Ito pong Boca Prince Beach mga kabars is parang slide down sand dunes siya na near sa cave din. Marami rin po kayong magagawa doon, syempre swimming po lahat. Then sinasabi nila po na Boca Prince is a remote bay on the northeast coast of Aruba and surrounded by high cliffs, and it's the best things to do in Aruba, among the most breathtaking. Then the spots of Arikatuk Park po, sa sunod po niyan, that strong waves, maano po yung mga strong waves, but sometimes po hazardous po yung pag-swim, so mag-iingat po kayo pag napunta kayo sa lugar na yan kasi nga marami pong bato. Then approaching po sa beach ng nasabi ko, ay meron pong large sandstones doon, kaya medyo mag-i-enjoy po kayo. Then providing with the stark landscape that scramble across to the way. And again, gagamitin nyo rin po yung 4x4 sasakyan. Ayan po mga kabars, makikita nyo po na I wish I have one house here, but so pretty. Then number 3 po yung mga marirecommend ko mga kabars is yung Arashi Beach. Arashi Beach, paano ma-pronounce yan? Ito po yung pwede ka rin dito mag-swim at mag-snorkel. Meron silang underground water, and napaka-interesting po lahat sila. More on beaches po talaga at makita nyo sa Aruba, makita nyo po yan, sobrang gaganda. Maliliit lang sila na place. Maganda po talaga, parang Boracay. And ito pong sabi ko sa inyo na Arashi Beach ay found in the northeast tip of the island of near Columbia Lighthouse. So malapit po sa Lighthouse, and the beach remains for largely and developed through the beaches of huts. Meron po tayong sandbeds, tsaka yung mga bars din po doon. At yung parang ganyan po mga kabars, mga island lang yan. Then mga nasabi din po sa akin, meron din po yung paapat yung Wander the Streets of Oranjestad. Oranjestad is the capital of Aruba mga kabars. Ito po yung the port only of Oranjestad, lively streets. Yan po yung nakita nyo dyan kanina sa may gilid. Then wedding a touch Dutch, this is the colonial architecture actually, and can easily tempt visitors away from the beaches at least few hours shopping mall. Kung natatanong nyo po kanina mga kabars, talagang andun lang po talaga, andyan tapat lang, lakad mo na. Tulad yung mga island na yan, may mga konting bahay dyan, pero sobrang pwede mong tawirin, kaya nakakaaliw po dito pumunta. Then meron po silang may mga free stretchers sila na ino-offer, na parang gusto mong masakyan, parang gusto mong pero syempre po, it's up to you kung gusto nyo po mag-tip. Then it's just only 25 minutes from the port. Number 5 po mga kabars is yung eat local Aruban foods. So maganda po yan mga kaibigan, mga kabars, kung gusto nyo po. Ito po yung mga reflecting its history, then Aruba's distinctive costumes, blend and cultural influences po ng mga Holland, Spain, Portugal, and South America. Yan po yung mga parang medyo konsepto po dito. Then and meron po silang savor and taste local seafoods. Marami po silang matitikman. We have these dishes for barracuda, meron po silang shark, full cook mahi-mahi, or basta marami po mga gulay. Basta kung papansin nyo po is different cultures din po. And of course, ang top spots po nila dito yung authentic Aruban meal, and they call it the Old Konuchu House. Ayun po yung the best known stoba, or they call this the goat stew. And this one, you can find this one in they call this Gasparitado Restaurant and Art Gallery. So pag napunta pa kayo one day dito, papansin nyo kami, you can ask any local mans or local people here. Then number 6 po mga kabars, mga kabaro, meron daw sila ditong Eagle Beach. Di ko alam kung marami talagang eagle, but this one is in the west coast of just only 15 minutes from Oranjestad. from the the capital. And the Eagles Beach is one of the Aruba's largest beaches. Beaches pala, hindi pala maraming beach, sorry. And they said that it's also known the famous and often market among the world's best travel magazines and traveler surveys. Wow. So kung mapapansin niyo po, ito yung pinakamalaking beaches nila pala doon. Then meron po sila doon yung mga mga sun chairs, lounges, bars.
2 hours later.
Then mga kaibigan, kung mapapansin nyo po, ayan po yung mga aeroplano. Malapit din po rito ang airport, kung mapapansin nyo po. Yan, nakakuha ko po yan kanina after mga 5 minutes yan. Maya po, susunod na naman po, may another bababa na naman. Kind of a little busy also. But sometimes po mga kabars, mga kabaro is very interesting din po kasi kita nyo po, island lang siya pero ang dami pong mga tourists na napupunta rito. Kaya it's very good po mga kabars.
5 minutes later.
After 5 minutes, yan na naman po. Yan, nakikita nyo po yung maliit na yun. Nasa Garden Cafe ako nito, naka-duty. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance, so kinuha ko to. So, yan po. Ang pangpito po natin yung explore na shipwrecks on Aruba and diving trip. Yan, maganda rin po yan. Makikita nyo yung mga dagat. Yan, ito po ay the Aruba's water steaming, colorful, and marine life. So makikita nyo po rito yung mga some sunken ship, mga lumubog. Then the depths are traveling discovered by the diving trip by Aruba local. And the best known po shipwrecks for SS Antilla, a German cargo ship what was sent by German cargo ship. Actually, yung sinasabi nila dati na may namatay na mga crew. And the floor since 1940. So, yan po pwede nyo puntahan doon. Then, meron po tayong Jane C ship, sinasabi nila, na mysterious na nawala noong 1988 as an open cargo hull and to explore. So, yan po mga kabars about the island of Aruba. Sana po may natutunan po kayo and I hope you can visit here one day.
Kabars! Kabaro! Don't forget to
Like and share.
comment and subscribe Super Bowl TV!